Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you how to create a free WordPress blog. WordPress is basically a content management system. Many people always abbreviate it CMS for creating websites, and a blog is a website. So let's create a blog. How do you create a blog with WordPress? You have to go with what you have to go to wordpress.com. So www.wordpress.com. That is the website address. Uh, on WordPress, yeah, the good thing about free WordPress blogs is that you get a free domain name, which will come with WordPress.com. I'm going to show you that after the class. Every website needed after the video. Every website need a domain name. The domain name is a website address. Then you get free hosting. Hosting is where everything you do on the web will be. It's just like somebody owning a shop, and the address is the domain name, while the hosting is the shop. So you have to pay for the shop and the address for paid website. That is, if you want to create a paid WordPress website, you pay for the address and the shop. But for a free one, you get a free shop and you get a free address. But the thing is that it belongs to the owner. No matter whatever you're doing, you need to be able to mention the owner in the in the address. So basically, that is the system of what free WordPress. You get a free domain name and you get a free hosting. Though you are limited compared to paid WordPress. So let's create the WordPress website, the WordPress blog. So how do you create a blog on WordPress? You go to www.wordpress.com, you click on get started. I've actually created one before, so I guess we're going to skip. Okay, we just skip the first part. So this is the first part. They will want you to log in or continue with any of this. So we'll use the Gmail, which is faster. So once we create the WordPress website, we're gonna work on the appearance and also work on we're gonna work on the appearance and also work on the settings. So that we finish with the full course on how to create a blog with WordPress. So select the email. So the first thing you want us to do is to select our domain name, which is the address. So I will go for I've actually created something like this, but let me just go for food food for all. So let's check what they'll give to us. Food for all blog. So this is not a free document. This is not free. As you can see, free for the first year. This is not a free domain name. Let's go for a free domain name. This is free, so I'll go for this. So now I got a free domain name. So let's go create the blog. So this is the free account. So now I want a blog. Start with a free one. Then we'll go for writing and publishing because blogging has to do with writing and publishing. So after the tutorial on how to create your free blog, you're going to watch, click on continue. You're going to watch my video on how to create a content. So food for all. The tagline is learn to cook any kind of food. So the tagline is also the description. Let me just show you what I just did just now. Uh, this is the name and this is the tagline. So the tagline is basically the description. So let's move on. That's how it's going to show on starting. So we're almost done creating the blog. You have to click switch to dashboard. Almost done. It won't take much. So let's go. This is it. Once you're done with this, this is the back end. This is the back end of your blog. This is the front end. Let's click on visit website. This is the front end. This is the website. This is the domain name. This is the address. This is what you always type. So it's a free blog. That's why you have WordPress.com here. The free domain name. That is why you have this. If it wasn't free, you see something like this .com, .org, or whatever. So let's go back. Let's go to the settings. So for the settings, let's go for settings first. Now let's go to appearance. Click on appearance. Once you click on appearance, you have to select an appearance. I like this. Let's select that server here. These are free. I think this is premium. Let's go for free. This is not free. Something that is I'll select this. This is free. So activate. So let's view. This is how it look like. You're gonna do the changes. Do it on you're gonna do it, make the changes. So let's go back. We're gonna delete some things, do the about us. So let's go back to settings. Since we're done with appearance, this is settings. So for settings, let's put the image. You have to design your image. I think I designed one earlier. So click on upload. Let me check here. I'll find it here. Food for all. Yeah, this is it. You name your image with dash, no space, dash. So food for all. Continue. We're done. So this will appear here instead of the WordPress logo. That's what will appear. Let's reload. It's gonna take some time. Successfully saved. Yeah, it has appeared. Can you see this? This is the favicon. A favicon. So let's scroll down for anything. Let's go back to the appearance if there's anything we can do before we move on. Because of there's some images on the blog which we wouldn't want to be there. So let's go to edit and then some words. The truth is that you'll be able to change all this somewhere. So just click, then I will put food for all. This should be your description. And learn to cook any kind of food. This is it. You can change these images, as you can see, the options. You can simply delete. You can change whatever is written here. If you click, you'll be able to change it. Change, then you move on. Or you can simply delete if you don't want them. So basically, this is how to create a blog on WordPress. Um, Thank you for watching. And let's move on. Don't forget to save once you're done. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next.